Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the number one place for entrepreneurs who want their content marketing to convert content consumers into paying customers. If you're a more mature entrepreneur and you've just been on the fence about getting into TikTok in terms of your organic content marketing efforts, or you've downloaded the app, dabbled with it, and left it to collect digital dust on your cell phone because you're like, I'll wait for the app to kind of mature a bit more. I don't want to deal with it right now. Well, today I'm going to give you the wake-up call about TikTok, why you can't wait any longer. I've been a coach since 2013. I've helped a lot of adult entrepreneurs get tractions on platforms like TikTok. And yes, I even have a 7-figure success client, Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, who as of the time of this video being shot is nearing 800,000 fans or followers on the platform. And yes, they're getting more sales because of that presence. Plus, I've got thousands of students to my name over the years, and the ones who have been listening to me about TikTok content marketing have been doing just fine in terms of growing brand awareness, getting more people to sign up for their email list, and even getting sales both on TikTok and off of it because of their presence on that platform. So you're in the right place, and this is the right time for you to take the plunge, and by the end of this video, you're going to have evidence as to why my statements aren't opinion. They're cold, hard facts that will benefit your business if you take them seriously. But wait, before we go any further, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. I recently did a video entitled How to Use TikTok Stories as a Business, and I discussed what advice I'd give you once that particular feature that's currently in beta testing unlocks for your use as a creator on that platform, because there's some nice practical applications for the type of creator you are, which is an entrepreneur or a business owner. So if you haven't watched that video yet, be sure to check it out. That said, let's get more into the subject of using TikTok and why you can't wait any longer. Now look, the tipping point has been reached. I've said this before on other TikTok related videos on my channel, but I have to say it again here, but I'll be quick. By now, at least 52% of all users on the TikTok platform are adults. Seriously, it's not the sole province of kids anymore, or Generation Z, and even some members of Generation Z are out there earning money, to their credit. But my point is that most of the people on TikTok today are gainfully employed adults, lots of them still upwardly mobile, like Generation Y or Millennials, and lots of Generation X. Yes, there's even baby boomers using the platform, thanks to perhaps being bored while being stuck at home in 2020. Kids and grandkids have been indoctrinating baby boomers like crazy in terms of using the app, but again, most of the active users on that platform are likely going to fit the part of the demographics of whomever your ideal customer is. So that's it. It's official. From now on, TikTok is only going to become increasingly populated by adult users who are making money and have cash to spend on your offerings. You can't just afford to ignore the app anymore. But if you've already heard this point, you're like, whatever, Stacey, guess what? TikTok has surpassed YouTube. What? Seriously, it has, in terms of the viewing time per user. That's a sobering statistic by itself, and it's a super recent one. But that's it, folks. Gary Vaynerchuk, 9-figure marketing success, has said you need to go where the attention is. TikTok isn't just the platform that's increasingly becoming populated by gainfully employed adults. It's also where their attention is being held for increasingly longer periods of time, too. So TikTok is no longer a flight of fancy for many adult users. It's now a mainstay that's giving venerable champion YouTube a run for its money. In September 2021, according to CNN, the app monitoring firm App Annie has come out and said that TikTok has upended the streaming and social landscape. And TikTok has become, as of 2020, the most downloaded app in the world, and it shows no signs of stopping. So here's the watershed moment for you and your business. If you've been a holdout overall, or you've just been kind of playing around with the app, but not becoming a persistent and consistent marketer on TikTok until now. Are you gonna dismiss TikTok any longer as a place where you should be cementing a strong presence on it for the sake of your brand? And then a year from now, you're gonna cry and say that you wish you'd decided differently? I mean, really, are you? Or after missing out on the fast growth phenomena that Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram used to be for nearly everyone in the beginning, are you going to say, nope, I'm not missing out this time. I'm going to plant my flag and do whatever it takes to grow my brand's awareness, its email list, and its sales thanks to a social media platform. And this one's name is TikTok? My core social talk shortcut can help you to become a highly effective marketer on behalf of your business if you want to go that route. But otherwise, the videos and playlists on my YouTube channel can help you get a nice head start if that's what you need. Either which way, I'm here to help. Please stop missing out on opportunities to grow your business with little to no ad spend or influencer blessings necessary. This is your moment. Make the right choice. And there you have it. This is my answer when it comes to the subject of TikTok. Why you can't wait any longer. Need more help? Be sure to check out these two awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.